Hi, my name is Aldo. I've been trading Forex for 3 years and today you're gonna learn something, even if you are not in the trading world. Today's topic is a little bit sad and unpopular, but I think it's something worth discussing and that can also provide lots of value for traders, but also to whoever is in the entrepreneurship world. In a recent video, I told you guys that I passed some challenges and was able to acquire about $700K of capital. First of all, it was a very big accomplishment for me because this trade allowed me to pass all of my challenges, about 700K on total for capital. All of this happened in August. Then fast forward to September and now to October. Here's what happened. I completely lost all of it. In September, I got into a losing streak, which made me have my first ever losing month. And then on October, I took some more losses, continuing the losing streak. All of this made me lose all of my capital. I mean, I didn't technically lose all of the capital, I just violated the rules given by the societies I was working for. Yeah, it sucks, but here's why I think this video might help you a lot. I'm about to share all of the things I learned throughout this period and that I wish I knew sooner. I mean, I'm still going through this period and I think in 6 to 8 months from now I will definitely have more perspective on what's happened and can learn even more things. And that brings us to the first lesson, which is as time passes, you will get more perspective on any negative or positive experience you are going through right now. So don't worry if you are not figuring everything out. Time will take care of that. I'm sure that any negative experience you had in the past, as time passed, you got more information and learn more things. The second thing I learned was that any years of data you have about your business, performances wise, of your trading style, those will not be exact projections of how future performances will look like. Yes, they are a very good indicator, but if you expect exactly the same, you're gonna set up yourself for being sad and fail. We live in a constant changing world, and this is especially true for entrepreneurs. In fact, one of the most important aspects I will encourage all of entrepreneurs to work on is their ability to adapt to any new situation. The third and last thing I learned was about failure in general. This one was the biggest setback I ever had in my trading career, and I still think there are lots of things to be learned and maybe hidden opportunities too. I'm certain that all of the decisions I will take from now, for example, how I decide to react to this situation, how I want to take advantage of it, will be absolutely crucial for what results I will get in 1 to 2 years from now. What I'm saying is that failure is not only inevitable, but it's also crucial to anyone's path to success. If you fail, you're not a failure. There's not anything bad in failure. I'm actually learning that it's a positive thing. To expand a little bit on failure, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's definitely not enjoyable in the moment. It really sucks and it's actually painful, especially if you had a little bit of taste of success like me. But what choices do you really have? I'd rather see the good side of failure than to focus on the negative things and get them to influence me. At the end of the day, what really matters is how you react to it. You either become the victim or you let it build you. That's what really separates winners from losers in the long run. My message is you shouldn't feel ashamed of failure. You should actually feel one step closer to your goals and to success. Lastly, I want to talk about what my next steps will be trading wise. First of all, I took a week off to allow myself to digest what happened and to reflect on my next best moves. I'm definitely going back to the lab to see if there's something I can improve on. To be honest, what I'm really thinking about the most now is a radical change, like becoming a student again. You know, sometimes you have to take a step back to move forward, right? I realized I can improve my style, my approach by a lot, only if I entirely reshape my view of the markets, you know, everything I've been doing. That also means to discard some old beliefs that are not useful anymore. And we all know how hard that process is, but I'm excited to work on this. That's why I'm investing in education again to reach this breakthrough. Just give me some time, guys. I'm going back to win again. Mark these words. Alright guys, the video ends here. Hope you guys found it useful and see you at the next one.